What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Did y'all guess it right? Did y'all? I mean, I'm assuming y'all see the title, so y'all know what it is. So, did y'all guess it right from the last video? Did you? Yeah. Anyway, I have an unboxing, okay? Y'all know we building the capsule wardrobe over here, okay? But if you don't know, hello, my name is Angelle. I am a style blogger that is currently building her very own capsule wardrobe, okay? I do unboxings. I do styling videos. What else I do? I do vlogs. I'm starting to do travel vlogs. We sprinkle a little bit of everything over here. Okay, so if any of that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Okay? And if you like this video, then like this video. Stop playing. So I have an unboxing today, a part of the capsule wardrobe. So I do want to say this right quick. I have one handbag, and that is this handbag. Y'all cannot see it, but it is my Alma BB, right? My Louis Vuitton Alma BB. This is literally the only handbag that I have, right? And when the idea of building a capsule wardrobe, only having like a very limited amount of things, limited amount of handbags for sure, is like, ooh, girl, what we gonna get? I have been doing a lot of back and forth, a lot of deciding, a lot of undeciding, just kind of thinking of like, what direction do I want to go in? How do I want this to look? How do I want to appear? So on and so forth. And I think I got an image in my head, and we're kind of moving with that. So that's one reason that inspired me to get this bag. Another reason that inspired me to get this bag is one, I love something about it is just, it give money to me. Something about it just give like I'm that girl. I don't know what it is. Do y'all feel that too, or is it just a me thing? Like, I don't know. But something about throwing something under your arm is just kind of like, girl, whatever. Yeah, like, I don't know. But that's another reason. And then two, I do feel like it's a classic. I do feel like the resale value on it is going to go up in case I ever did want to sell it. And I've always loved the silhouette, loved the look of it. So yeah. Now that I've told y'all why I bought this bag, let's unbox the bag. Now mind you, it is a bit of a cheat, because if you watched my last video, you know that I actually went in store and bought this. But so I have seen it already. I've touched it. I felt it. And this is the new one. By the way, it's the new one, not the old one. So it has the leather, the black leather trim on the sides. But, of course, okay. Alright. So, God, just, it's something about this. So anyway, let's go ahead. Take that off. I walked inside. Darius saw the box, and Darius was like, what the hell you got from Louis? I was like, because I'm a Louis girl now. Just kidding. She said normally it wouldn't come in this big of a box, but it's like the only box that they had. I will say last time I got samples and magazines and all that. I didn't get any of that this time. I don't know. They asked me if I had shopped there before, and I was like, oh yeah, and it was like, oh, okay, and I didn't get any of the good stuff. So there's that. Okay, so voila, y'all. I mean, is this not what? Is it not adorable? Is it not adorable? Like, yes. Okay, so it used to be called the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch. Now it's called the like Pouche toiletry bag or something like that. Or Pouche toiletry bag is something like that in NM. So there are a few differences. Before, this had the canvas on the sides, and now it has the leather. Also, this used to be the y'all know what I'm trying to say. I can't think of it right now. But now it's not. Now it's the black like coated leather, and in the inside now, to make it more like an actual clutch or bag, they have added this like slot right here. and then they've added like these card holders to make it like a real like bag or clutch, y'all. And I am so in love. Like I love this. Like, yes. Oh God, like, yeah, love it. Love it, love it, love it. I mean, it's very simple. Like, nothing more to say about it. It was 755 pounds. I know it is a big jump compared to what the old ones were, compared to what the 26 was. However, I wasn't into luxury handbags then, so I didn't have the advantage of like getting one from back in the day, so on and so forth. But what I will say is these, a lot of Louis Vuitton bags and products hold their value, and these have definitely held theirs, so much so that they've came out with a new one, and this is this one. So yeah, but I love it, y'all. I love it. Here it is. There's not much to it. I do not plan on trying to turn it into like a crossbody or anything like that. We're wearing it just like this. I said it in the last video, but I'm actually going on a girls trip to Greece in a couple weeks, and this is what I actually plan on taking. I'm going to put it in a dust bag, put it inside my little, carry-on bag, and this is going to be the girl that I wear with all my outfits. It's going to be wonderful. So yeah, I'm excited, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. Tell me what y'all think in the comments down below. Do you have the Toiletry Pouch 1926 or the new one? Yeah, tell me what y'all think of this video. I do want to say this real quick. I did my makeup earlier, and there is I was having technical issues. Like, my under eye on this side was watering, so I redid it so many times. So if my makeup look a little chewed up or a little messed up, y'all, I'm sorry, but I had to record this video. I didn't have time to keep going over and over and over with this, but yeah, y'all, what do we think? Are we not so excited? Like, ow! And this is like, so I'm going for a bit of a trifecta. Let me give y'all some insider information. I'm going for a bit of a trifecta. Y'all know, so this is my first like LV monogram canvas product, right? And to be honest, I was going to get the Pochette Matisse, right? And then I went to the Louis Vuitton store. I saw the Pochette Matisse, and believe it or not, I don't know what it was about it, but I did not like it as much as I thought I did or would. And you think I would have known this already because I had the Coach Cassie. And the Coach Cassie I liked, but I sold because I wasn't the biggest fan of the silhouette. However, I knew for sure that I wanted something in the Louis Vuitton canvas. And to be honest, there probably is one more thing that I'll get further down the road. I ain't gonna ruin the surprise, but it's a backpack. but I'm going for a bit of a trifecta. So now I have my Louis Vuitton canvas, I have my Demir Abend, and then I'm contemplating getting something in a Demir Azur pattern. Now I know for sure, and then I'll be done with LV for a little while. Okay, that's the goal. I'm gonna be done. I know the Demir Azur pattern isn't super popular, or some people love it, some people hate it, but I do think it's the perfect pattern for the spring. So spring summer. So that's just my opinion. Okay, but yes. Yes. All right, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Again, if you like this video, like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos, and go ahead and follow me over there on Instagram because it's popping at Angelle's Life. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.